In the early days of cryptocurrency, one of the biggest problems early users faced was storage, because you cannot keep it in the bank account or even hold it in your hands. And that is what gave birth and rise to many wallets. And today I'll talk about one of them, which I believe is safe for every newbie and for every expert to use. And I'm going to give you reasons. And I want to talk about Giant Wallet. Number one, security features. Giant Wallet protects its users by preventing users from seeing spam tokens. Spam tokens are tokens you do not buy. For example, in Trust Wallet, you normally see that. And when you try swapping those tokens, your real funds now goes missing. And that is how many people have lost their funds. And the second feature is that they vet every app and link before they allow it on the app, and you cannot bring external link. That means it's safer for newbies who are scampering around trying to buy tokens and they go to wrong websites and they get scammed. Whatever you see in Giant Wallet, every app, every link has been vetted, so they don't allow bad actors to have access to their wallet. And then if you create multiple wallets within the wallet, and if the wallet, one of them get hacked, the other one cannot get hacked, because every wallet created within that same wallet has its own seed phrase, which is not visible in other wallets. And then number two, the bank transfer function. Normally, after your DeFi activities and you have made profit in the previous times and in other decentralized wallet, you have to move that money to a centralized exchange. You now need P2P, which you can even do and get scammed before your money lands in your local bank account for your activities. But with what Giant Wallet has introduced, the bank transfer option, after your DeFi activities, you just swap the money to USDT and then transfer it to your local bank account using the features with ease, saving us stress, saving us much fee. Imagine it's Ethereum and it's $100 and they keep charging you money. Before you know, maybe it's $60 they end up transferring to your local bank account, and it has saved us time. The P&L features, that is the profit and loss, it helps you to know whether you are making loss or making profit when you buy a token. It helps you track your portfolio to know whether you are going up or going down, and it saves you time of doing multiple calculations to be able to solve that. And it's multi-chain. It's currently operating on 3 chains, but more chains will be introduced: Ethereum, BNB, and Asset Chain. So you can hold all these tokens in a single wallet. You don't have to download wallet for Ethereum or BNB and for Asset Chain. And then they have direct swap. That means if you want to swap and the tokens are listed in any of these 3 chains, you don't have to go to another website to perform the swap. You can do it directly using their direct swap, which is currently working and available. That is saving newbies and experts the stress of dabbling to one website and you get scammed in the progress. And the wallet is currently available in Play Store and they are working on Apple Store. So like I always say, if you're into crypto, always use Android. And they have notification features where it helps you to know, okay, maybe you're talking about events happening. I think today I even got a mail where they told us that the bank features are back. So there are many other features, such as even the gifting features. Giveaway has become an issue where if an influencer wants to share tokens, you have to pick people, get their wallet address, look for someone. Sometimes the person even runs with the money. But with the GTAN, that is Giant Wallet gifting option, you can directly, after you pick people for the giveaway or you want to share money, even in your WhatsApp group, in your class group, you just create a gift, share the code to people, and anybody who gets the code, he goes to the wallet and go and claim. Easy, saves you the stress of doing giveaway and looking for people to even help you in doing giveaway. So there are many other features that time will not allow me to talk about. But if you have not used Giant Wallet, stroll down to your Play Store, click on the download, and for iOS users, we are coming to you very soon. Catch you.